In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Amazon gift card. This task is straightforward and can bring a smile to someone's face with just a few clicks. Whether you want to send it directly to someone's email, print it personally, or mail it in a festive gift box, Amazon offers a variety of options to suit your preferences. Let's dive right in. Start by heading to the Amazon website or opening the Amazon app on your mobile device. Once there, look for the gift card section. This is your starting point, where all the beautiful options for sending your gift card await. You'll notice a variety of card types, and choosing the right one depends on how you'd like the recipient to receive it. The first option is the e-gift card. This type is ideal for those who prefer immediate delivery, as it's sent directly to an email address or via a text message. If you're aiming for a more personal touch, you might consider the physical gift card. These are perfect for gifting in person, and they arrive wrapped in a charming box envelope or even attached to a delightful greeting card. Lastly, there's the print-at-home option, which is both convenient and flexible. It allows you to print a personalized PDF, which you can then include in your own card or hand-deliver at your leisure. Once you've chosen the type of gift card you want, the next step is an opportunity to add your personal flair. Customizing the card allows you to include a heartfelt or cheerful message. Plus, you can select an image or design that suits the occasion or reflects the recipient's personality. It's these little touches that can make your gift truly stand out. Now, moving on to the recipient's information. If you've selected an e-gift card, you'll need to enter either the recipient's email address or their phone number, ensuring that it goes to the right place. For physical gift cards, input the recipient's shipping address carefully to make sure it arrives at the correct destination. An optional but handy feature is scheduling the delivery. Maybe it's for a birthday down the line, or you want it to arrive exactly on a special date. You can choose either to send the gift card immediately or arrange for it to be delivered on a future date of your choice. Finally, it's time to complete your purchase. Click through to the checkout, review your order to make sure everything is perfect, and enter your payment information. Take a moment to double-check the details, ensuring the recipient's information is accurate and that the delivery date is what you intend. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to send a thoughtful Amazon gift card to someone special. Remember, it's these small gestures that can brighten someone's day. Thank you for watching and happy gifting.